Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new 3ds Max tutorial. So this is the part 4 of Editable Spline. Today we have to practice the Editable Spline. So it's a practice session actually. So far in last 3 videos what we have learned. So this is the practice video. So as you can follow with me, let's say go to the perspective view and of the grid, and then go to the shape. So let's say we're gonna make a design. Okay, we're gonna make a design. So let's say a n-gon, kind of like this. Okay. We have to center it like 0 0 0 position center. Okay, convert it to editable spline. Okay, go to the vertex and then we can see the vertex. Okay, we just select them all. We can select right like here, like this, or we can select a control A, and then we go for fillet option and we just make it like this. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, and then what we can do, we can have some, something like this rectangle. We can have something like this rectangle. We can have something like this rectangle. Okay, yeah, and with the snapping tool we can snap them. We can snap them in the middle, and then what we have to do is we have to convert to the editable spline again, and then attach them. Okay, so something like this shape created, and then we go to, we are looking for trim option, trim. Okay, we just go for trim, just trim it, and we have to weld the vertex. Because of these vertex, this one, they are not welded. Okay, weld the vertex, something like this. Click on weld. So this becomes one object, and then select the inner vertex, select these these vertexes, select, and then go for fillet option, then go for maybe for the chamfer. Yeah, go for chamfer like this, and go for fillet like this, and go for fillet like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then you align it with the center. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then what you can do, you can effect pivot only. So center to object. Okay, then you can make a copy. Oops. First of all, you have to snap the angle like 90°, like 90°, like 90°. Okay, some sort of this, and then you can okay, what you can do next is go for this, and you can do like something like this. Okay, and then come again with the center point, and then you copy, you rotate again 45° angle, something like, oops, maybe, yes, something like this. Okay, and then effect pivot only, center to object, and then when you align this like here, and then you go for sorry, effect pivot only, go for 0. Okay, then make it something like 45. Okay, okay, something like okay, something like this. Okay, and then again something like 45. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like 45. Okay, something like 45 again, and something like 45 again. Okay, so this kind of shape is created finally, and then you can attach them, kind of attach them. Okay, and you can attach them as well. Oops, attach them as well, actually, this and this and this. Okay, and attach them finally, like attach, attach, and attach. What I'm doing is, you will be understand in a moment. Let's apply extrude modifier on this, like this, see, and let's apply extrude modifier like this, and just move it up, align it correctly, like on the top, okay, on the top. Okay, yeah, so you can see a design, kind of very complex design has been created with this. Okay, so the design is done with the, with the all we done with the spline option, and make another copy and then go for on the bottom part also. Yeah, something like this. And then you can, you know have it, you can group it like a sci-fi stage or whatever, the machine parts or whatever. You can copy it and use it in your design, you see. So the main thing is done with the, ungroup. The main thing is done with the modifier. Okay, with the modifier, you see. Okay, friends. So we actually, in a previous video, we practiced the editable spline, and we do some sort of very simple design with the tools and techniques what we have learned so far. So I think you enjoy it. So thank you very much, and I will be coming again. In the next part, we will be go further for the editable poly, go further in a 3ds Max modeling process. So right now I have to go, and we will be seeing in the next video. So thank you everyone, support my channel and keep in touch and keep learning, keep commenting me, and please give a like on my video. So thank you very much.